Good evening. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Tuesday, June 14th. I want to look at Workday here, and guess what? This is why. Because Microsoft is purchasing LinkedIn, $1.93 a share, and that kind of puts Workday in play. So I'm looking at this chart, and the resistance here we'll say is 82 bucks. It's interesting that this stock was up 2.5% today on a day when a lot of stocks were absolutely just doing nothing except going down. So I'm looking at this as a pretty constructive pattern. If we look at the weekly chart, you just forget about the acquisition aspect. If you look at the weekly chart, we'll just draw some lines here, see how those work out. You could look at this. You could look at this big head and shoulder. There's the left shoulder, the head, obviously a cone head, and then the right shoulder right here. So if we do this, then we would have to draw the line to connect these shoulders, and this is the neckline right here. Okay, big massive dump here, 48 up to 80. Okay, 32, right? So just a quick down and dirty measured move like this would put this at 110 bucks on a head and shoulder reversal pattern. I don't like to pick price targets out that high because it just becomes too dogmatic. I would rather look at a head and shoulder that isn't so spiky, like something happened, and where instead it's just kind of a decline and then buyers come in, et cetera, et cetera. So, don't take that $32 price target take it with a grain of sand. I know, give it as much weight as you paid for this video. But I do think the stock moves higher. If it clears 82 bucks, look for this stock to ultimately challenge 100. That's what I see, but you got to wait for it. Right now, you're not giving up very much by waiting for it. Wait for confirmation that this is not a lower high. It's actually just kind of a way station before the stock continues to move. Okay, members, despite the fact that there's really lousy action in the market, there are several stocks that are actually at good buy points and things that I think are going to ride through any of this Fexit and Brexit and all that kind of stuff. So check out the strategy session and make sure you take some notes.